Hey BCS fam, I am back with another video. Today's video is going to be episode number 2 of my gigantic, enormous dumpster dive haul from Ulta. I have 6 bags of makeup that I'm going to show you guys today. I tried to like organize everything when I first got this stuff. So yeah, the last episode I did ask you guys if you have any questions. Please let me know down below and I'll be more than happy to answer them for you. Like, when do you go dumpster diving, when is the best time, so on and so forth. So if you have any questions below, let me know. So I did have one, and I feel like I had more, but I can't remember where they were. But Anna Marie asked, how do you know which boxes or bags to grab? Every single time I've gone, I can't find anything. I found 2 pallets and that's it. So this time when we went, sometimes they're in boxes, like regular old brown boxes, and they're just taped up and it says returns on it, and they'll be just thrown in the garbage. Or sometimes, like in this case, we found them in large clear plastic bags. I've never found anything in like the big black plastic bags, but all of this stuff was in clear plastic bags. So for me though, when I go, I kind of look in every bag to make sure I'm not missing anything. So hopefully that answers your question. But anyway, let's move on. The first thing I'm going to show you guys are these Tarte concealers. I'm not going to show you guys every single one of them. The first ones that I have are the Tarte Shape Tape Glow ones. So I have maybe 4 or 5 of these. And it looks like it's just a concealer. Or I don't know if these are concealers or highlighters. Let me know below. But to me, it looks like it's just concealer with some sort of like beauty blender kind of sponge on the end, and it has this type of wand. Not all of them had the lids, because I think when I found these specifically, they were just kind of thrown all into the dumpster, so I kind of picked them out. So yeah, but this is the color Ablaze, and it also has the little thing on the end. I want to use one of these actually. I love concealers. Like, I usually do the bare minimum for my makeup, so I usually use concealer as part of my minimum makeup usage.
That you would.
Okay, so these are also Shape Tape, so I'm assuming those were like a variation of these, but these just don't have the sponge at the bottom. Ooh, I like this applicator. It's huge. Damn! That is cool. That is really cool. So these are the 4 that I picked, but I have many more. And a lot of people, believe it or not, like to purchase these items from me, which is cool. And I usually post them in my Dumpster Dive Facebook group, which I'll have linked below for you guys. Okay, the next bag is skincare items from a brand called I Do Dare, and I actually was really excited about this brand, and there's a few things in here that I'm gonna keep for myself because I thought that they were pretty interesting. So one item is the I Do Dare Cake My Day, and it's a hydrating sprinkle wash off mask, and it smells like cake. That's crazy. So this is the Bright Side Up Brightening Vitamin C Face Serum, and I might keep this because I know I have problems with like under eye darkness, but it comes with a, you know, a little dropper like most serums do, and it's pretty full, as you guys can see. This is the I Do Dare Space Kitten Exfoliating Galactic Black Peel Off Mask. So this is just like your typical, oh my god, why is it glitter in this stuff? If it's glitter, I'm not gonna use it. I hate glitter. I'm probably the only woman that cannot stand, I hate glitter. The I Do Dare Berry Melting Makeup Remover Balm. So this is just a balm to help you remove your makeup at the end of the day. So I presume you would just slather it on and then rinse it off, and it probably helps take off most, if not all, of your makeup. This is the Namaste Kitten Clarifying Cannabis Sativa Seed Oil Cleanser. So I'll probably use this if it does not have glitter in it. Oh, and this is brand new. Didn't even know that. So I'll definitely be using this if it's a cleanser. This is the Nourishing Lip Oil. Disco Kitten Illuminating Diamond Pill Off Mask. Probably has hella glitter in it. Oh no, I don't know. It may. It looks like it has some like pearlescence kind of business going on in there. Buttery Vitamin C Lip Mask. And this is the Yoga Kitten Balancing Heartleaf Clay Mask. And this is pretty much full. So, and I was just talking about a mask because my nose was peeling, so this would be great. And I've been wanting to kind of like, as I'm getting older, I need to start taking care of my face. I mean, it's not bad, but it could use some work, you know. The next bag is full of Colourpop cosmetics. I had no idea that Ulta sold Colourpop. Colourpop is very inexpensive anyway, but yeah, I had no idea. So this is the Super Shock Cheek Powder, and this is in Growth Flirt. This one is Lunch Money. It's really nice, like highlight kind of powder. This one is in Birthday Suit, so it's like a nude kind of pink. Wait, did I do this bag last time? Okay, so we have a bag of Colourpop foundations. Whoa. And it's pretty much the whole line of foundations, so I'm just gonna pick out 3 and go from there. So these are the Pretty Face, tinted moisturizer, not foundation, excuse me. So these are the 3, and this is light 5N, dark 20N, and medium 12W. So these are the tinted moisturizers. I've never really been a fan of tinted moisturizers, but that's neat. Next bag we have are a bag full of Ulta brand concealer sticks and illuminators. So we have a little bit of everything in here, so we're just gonna grab something. Well, just rip that bag. Whoops. We have some moisturizing foundation sticks, one in medium to tan cool and one in light to medium neutral. And this is what they look like. I didn't really try to like clean off everything, like I only cleaned the outer portion of the products, and that was pretty much it. Some liquid concealer, more liquid concealers, cooling jelly face primer. So this is a color correcting face primer, and it's in like a green color. Kind of looks blue on camera, but it's green, and green is supposed to help with redness, if I remember correctly. And then we have the Frida Kahlo face primer. Just gonna show you an overview of the bag. So it's pretty much the same things in there, just repeats. Next we have a bag of Colourpop concealers, and it's just all concealers in there. I love concealers. My favorite makeup item. Concealers, highlight, and mascara. So I picked out 3. Medium, deep dark, and deep dark 204N. So these are the colors. And they have like a, not really a doe foot applicator, but I guess a doe foot applicator. Ooh, this one's really dark. Pretty. And then this one. And the last bag are items from Benefit. So didn't find many, but found some. So these both are the Hoola bronzer. These are brand new in the box. Never used, still has the plastic, and the brush just fell out. And then this also is another Hoola bronzer as well. And then these are mascaras, so 3 of the same ones. The Roller Lash and the Bad Gal. And then I have a mini of the Gimme Brow. That is pretty much everything that I have to show you guys today. Don't forget to let me know any questions that you may have for the next video, and I'll give you a little shout out and ask your question. So yeah, don't forget to smash the subscribe button, hit the thumbs up button, and the notification bell so that you can be notified when I post more content such as this. And until next time, thank you guys for watching. Bye.